Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We'll discuss about all these companies for which the IPO has been announced, and some of them are already closing today and many of them will be open till end of this week. We'll go with each of this company, we'll see their balance sheet, what they does, and whether we should invest our money on this IPO or not. Let's get started. First company we're going to discuss is Sati Poly Plast Ltd. This minimum investment is 1,23,000. The lot size is 1000 quantity and price range is 123 to 130. So the bidding date started is 12 July and will be on till tomorrow, that is 16th of July. So you can go ahead and apply for this stock. So what this company does, Sati Poly Plast is a manufacturer of flexible packaging material. That is important, flexible packaging material. We'll see the website in a while. The company provides solution for flexible packaging requirement and operates 2 manufacturing units located in Noida, in UP. The company's product range include packaging solution for food and beverage that the industry, such as salty snacks, snacks bar, dry foods and other stuff. And they use certain materials due to this patching. The company is currently working with clients like Pidilite, Adani Wilmar and JVL. Additionally, the company producing vacuum bags for cashew nuts. Founded in 1999 and Managing Director Mr. Tunwal. Parent organization, the same name for the IPO. Let us see what are the strength of this company. It is holding ISO 9001-2015, that is for quality, and the other ISO related certification. That's a good thing. Regarding the profit after tax, in 2021 it was 125, 2022 it is 175 and 190 in FY23. So profit after tax has increased every financial year. So what are the risks for this company? The state of Uttar Pradesh account a significant portion of this revenue. So any problem in the state, any development of negativity, it's going to impact the company business. Company's top 10 customer, including this Adani Wilmar and Pidilite, they contribute major section of the revenue, right? Any problem, any loss of any from any customer gonna impact the revenue. Company is having certain contingent liabilities that are not accounted for the financial statement. So when a company listed, then only the detailed company financial statement comes out. But as of now, there are some unaccounted liabilities is there. Another disclosure is Sati Poly Plast unsecured loan repayable on demand amounting of 13.85 crore as of 2023 September. So these are some of the risks we need to consider before applying. This is the website of Sati Poly Plast. As we discussed, it provides the packaging solution, and there's the product name: namkeen packaging, chips packaging, papad packaging, atta, detergent, oil, rice, hygiene packaging, strength rolls, and pouching. Right. So these are the things this company does. As of today, July 15, this Sati Poly Plast IPO received 77x subscription on the day 2 so far, and grey market price suggests Sati Poly Plast trading at 105 higher in the grey market, signaling 80% listing gain from the public issue. 77x already subscription happens, so whoever are lucky enough, if they apply, they may get this share. Second company, Prizor Viztech, right? 12 bidding started and minimum investment is 1,31,000. Lot size is 1600. Price range is 82 to 87. Issue size is 25.15 crore. Let's see what this company does. Prizor Viztech provides a security and surveillance solution. Very interesting company. Company portfolio divided into 2 sections. One is security and surveillance. Other is LED television, monitor and touch panel. Right. So we know Dixon technology. It can be a peer company of Dixon. The CCTV touch panel monitor manufactured by third parties and sold under Prizor brand name. It serves retail, education, and infrastructure companies and government institutions. This company also provides advanced video management software beside the assembling surveillance security cameras and designed for specific application need. Founded in 2017 to around 7 years old company. Strength for this company, we discuss CCTV and HD cameras for residential use, advanced option like face detection, broadcasting cameras and other stuff. It also hold quality control certificates, ISO 9001, 2015 till the other stuff. This company supply product across 17 states and 2 union territories, wide range of customers. Talking about the revenue, its revenue operation increased very steadily, rising from 8 crore in 22 FYY to 13.77 crore in FY 2023, so around 5 crore more, and reaching 35 crore by FY24, so almost 2.5x. Profit after tax also increased steadily from 0.04 crore to 5.57 crore 22-24. In 2 years, it's drastical change. 0.04 crore to 5.57 crore. So PAT and revenue both are very much well accepted. Risk is, though it is having 17 state and union territory cover range, but it is only having limited number of key clients, right? For the year ending March 2024, 23 and 22, the company's top 5 customer contribute 77% to 83%. It means any loss of any of the major customer could impact the profitability. Gujarat state accounted for 93% of the total revenue. Any negative development will impact for sure. The CCTV sale accounted for around 84%. Decrease of this product sale may impact the revenue. The company's revenue from operation heavily depend on assembly activities. Disruption on this could lead the financial challenge. So this is the website for Prizor. The product: network cameras, HD cameras, video recorder, and standalone camera, mobile driver, monitor, television, TV, interactive touch panel, etc. As of today, 37x subscription already happened, right? And as per the gray market, signaling 49.43% of listing gain during the public issue. The bidding still available till 16 July. If you want to invest, go ahead and do that. If you get allotted, then around 50% of profitability is a chance. Next company, 3M Paper. Bidding date started 12, will end tomorrow, 16 July. Minimum investment 1,34,000, lot size 2,000, price range 67 to 69. Company want to gain 39.83 crore. So what the company does, 3M paper board involved in production recycled paper-based duplex board products, which are extremely used for packaging by various industries, right, including food and beverage, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, and consumer goods. It sells its paper products in both domestic and international market. Okay, that's a good thing. So both domestic and international market range is there. Headquartered in Mumbai, its primary manufacturing operation are situated in Maharashtra. As of March 2024, the company had a total manufacturing capacity of 72,000 tons per annum of paper, which is good capacity. Founded in 1989. So the product company make it 100% recycled and are completely biodegradable. Good thing. It is also having ISO certification. PAT has increased consistently over the years. 22 it was 3.27. 23 almost double, 6.61. 24 again double figure almost 11.35. CAGR is nice. PAT is very nice. On the risk side, there is something ongoing legal proceeding is happening with its promoter and directors. Any negative news can impact the finance health. Top 10 customer contribute around 57%. That's fine. Any loss can impact. Major part of the company sale come from Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Delhi, and some international market. Domestic sale contribute 87%. That is normal. Any adverse development can cause the damage. Okay, that's time we'll say. So this is the website for 3M paper. Product: Royal WB, Royal GB, and Prima GB. Probably these are the category of the products. As of today, the 3M paper board IPO booked about 23x. That's a good amount of subscription already, and it will end on tomorrow, July 16. Pricing rate 67 to 69. So go for it if you like this company and the features. Next company is Aelea Commodities. Bidding started 12, will end tomorrow. Minimum investment 1,09,000. Lot size 1200. Price range 91 to 95. Issue size is 51 crore. Let's see what it does. So this company, Aelea Commodities, are an agricultural product in company. Started with sugar, cashew, pearls, and other commodities. Over time, it shifted to only cashew processing. So main stream of income is cashew processing. It having B2B, B2C, and other type of market. However, it trade other agriculture products, including sugar, pulse, and soybean, rice, and wheat flour, handled solely through the B2B channel. The company sourced the cashew nuts from several African countries. Oh, okay. So product is coming from Benin, Tanzania, Senegal, and other country, African country. And Aelea Commodity distributed product both in India and internationally. Okay, so they bring the product from African country, process here, and then again it sell it in India and internationally both. Founded in 2018, and we'll see the risk and what are the strength. Under strength, the company is expanding its capacity on the cashew processing. According to the company, the employee industry standard machinery, that means the quality part, right? Reduce the downtime and increase productivity. It ensures the product delivered to the customer in time and minimal shortcoming that every company does. Company gets repeats order, which indicate it is ability to maintain client relationship. Yeah, similar. And it is domestic customer base in Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat, Mumbai. Internationally, basically to Dubai and Sri Lanka. On the risk side, having outstanding litigation against it, so outcome may be fatal for the company. Processing of the raw cashew nut involve number of stages, resulting reduction of sales price, common thing. As per 2023, top 10 customer account for 44%. That's common. Any problem with them, the customer could impact the commodity financial condition. Manufacturing concentrating on Surat, Gujarat, any disruption on this area could adversely affect the company business. Negligible. As of today, 12:26 p.m. Monday, the IPO has been subscribed almost 16.72 times. Anchor investor 1 time, non-institutional 23 times, retail 23 times. So this is the figure as of today, and this subscription will be keep open till tomorrow. Let's discuss about the IPO, which bidding date starting today and ending by this weekend. Tunwal E-Motors, right? Bidding date starting today. Minimum investment is 1,18,000. Lot size is 2,000. Price range 59 to 59. The company is expecting to fetch 115 crore. Tunwal company is another EV manufacturing industry. It's involved in design, development, manufacturing of high quality electric two-wheelers. The company operation based in Palsana, Rajasthan. It also registered with the Bureau of India Standards and ACE International USA. Portfolio includes 23 models, which includes 7 variants of two-wheelers. 2018, 6 years back, the company got founded. Managing Director, Mr. Tunwal. Strength side, PAT. It consistently increased year on year. FY22, it was 2.34, 23, 3.72, FY24, 11.81 crore. So almost 3.5 times jump. Company portfolio includes selection of electric scooter featuring over 23 model, including 7 variant, all of which developed and ready for distribution. That's a good thing. Presence in 19 states with a network of 256 dealers. So surely this will increase, the dealer number will increase. Risk on the legal side, we'll see how it goes. Revenue relies heavily on network distributor dealer. That normally happens in this industry. Nothing to worry. Company income entirely depend on the sales of its electric scooter model. If the product fails, then severely harm. Yeah, that can happen to any product. Top 10 supplier of the company, over 80% come from the few international suppliers. Okay, any disruption of supplies from them could negatively impact. Okay, this is the website, and these are some of the models for Tunwal. So the bid had started from today. If you feel the company will perform well, go for it. Lot size is 2,000. Minimum investment 1,18,000. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.